we are going to teach you how to make beetroot cutlet. So there is turmeric powder, there's coriander, there's dry mango powder, and there is garam masala. There's turmeric and chili powder. And the special ingredient is beetroot. There's potato, there's chopped up garlic, ginger, there's mixed vegetables, there's breadcrumbs, there's coriander, and there's onion and potatoes. The first step is grate the beetroot and boil the potatoes like we've done, and then mash it up. While Chanel is mashing the potato, I am grating the beetroot into small little pieces. As we don't like raw onions, my mum is going to gently fry them in the pan so we can get a better taste. Once you've grated the beetroot, get some into your hand and squeeze it so that all the liquid comes out. Otherwise, the liquid will make our cutlets soggy. Now we are going to put in our spices, our salt and pepper and coriander. First, I am going to put the coriander in. Next, Chanel's going to put the spices. Chanel's going to give me the spices and pour them in. Pour them in. Pour in. Next, Chanel's going to add the ginger garlic. Can you please add it, Chanel? Now, Chanel's going to add our last spices. Chanel, can you add it? And finally, I'm going to add the salt and pepper. Now, mix it all up and then mash it together. Now that we've mixed our mixture, it should come all like this. Then, when you're done, get a cup of oil, dip some of your fingers in, then rub your hands together before you make the balls. Then, take a little bit of the mixture and roll it into a bowl like this. Once you've done your ball like this, keep it on your plate and then make some more. Now that you've made your little ball, shape it and then put in the breadcrumbs and place it on your tray. I'm going to start with this one. Okay, you can do some if you want. Take one. Should I give you it? Don't squash them. Put it in. Don't squash it, okay? Just roll it and keep it as a ball, okay? Now our cutlets are ready to cook. And make sure to subscribe if you like this video. It's bye from the JNS sisters. Bye! Subscribe! Let's taste. Yes. This is delicious. Try the recipe and let us know what you think.